Why does your scanner show the P0425 engine code? What does it mean? P0425 is a diagnostic trouble code for catalyst temperature sensor circuit malfunction. Bank 1, Sensor 1. The P0425 engine code or indicate that the engine's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected an irregular or missing electrical signal from the converter. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty catalyst temperature sensor. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors. Upstream exhaust leak. Faulty upstream oxygen O2. Damaged or clogged catalytic converter. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.